Now, India is getting a massive boost to its naval firepower. Two frontline stealth frigates, INS Himgiri and INS Udaygiri, join India's naval force today. This will be the first time when two major combatants built by different Indian shipyards will enter service together. Let's get you more details about these latest stars of Indian naval power. Now, the INS Udaygiri is named after Udaygiri mountain range in Andhra Pradesh. This is the second naval ship to bear the name, the earlier one having served from 1976 to 2007. It was constructed by Mazagaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited in Mumbai. Udaygiri was laid down in December 2017, launched in May 2022 and delivered in July 2025, a record completion time of just 37 months. This is the second ship of the Project 17A series, also known as the Nilgiri class frigates. It also carries the distinction of being the 100th vessel designed by the Navy's Warship Design Bureau. INS Himgiri is considered as the reincarnation of the former Leander class frigate INS Himgiri with the same pennant number. The former ship was in service between 1974 and 2005. INS Himgiri has been built by Garden Reeds Shipbuilders and Engineers in Kolkata. It's the first of the project of 17A ships to be constructed at the yard with around 75% indigenous content. These next-generation warships represent a significant leap in India's indigenous naval capabilities, combining state-of-the-art stealth features, advanced weapon systems and robust multi-mission versatility. As we've already told you, both are Nilgiri-class guided missile frigates with advanced stealth features. Both frigates have a displacement of just under 6,700 tons. They can attain speed of up to 28 knots, which translates to nearly 52 kilometers an hour. At this speed, they have a range of 1,900 kilometers. These ships can carry multiple armaments. These include dozens of Barak 8 anti-air missiles as well as 8 BrahMos anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. The ship can also carry Automalara 76mm naval guns capable of short-range and anti-missile point defense, anti-aircraft, anti-surface and ground support. It is also capable of hosting the A630 close-in weapon system. Talking of torpedoes then, these frigates are equipped with triple torpedo tube launchers. They can also carry the RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. They have a flight deck and hangar capable of operating MH-60 Romeo, ALH Dhruv, Mk3 and Sea King helicopters, giving it a strong edge in reconnaissance, anti-submarine and search and rescue missions as well.